How to use secret industry codes to unlock bigger unsecured credit limits. There are little-known classification codes that strongly affect how much unsecured business credit lenders will extend. Many applicants assume approval is driven only by a middle personal FICO score. In reality, lending decisions are roughly two-part: personal credit strength and the business classification code. Get the code wrong and you may get a tiny limit. Get it right and you can unlock tens of thousands of dollars immediately. If you don't yet have a properly formed corporate entity and an IN, Form 1 in your home state and set it up correctly. Use the right entity type for your goals and discuss structure with your attorney and tax advisor. Lenders often prefer to make loans to the company rather than requiring a personal guarantee, but the company's NAICS/SIC type code will heavily influence limit size. Some business categories are treated as higher risk. Consulting, coaching, and many service-only or agency businesses are often placed in low credit categories and receive low unsecured limits. By contrast, businesses with physical products, wholesalers, manufacturers, or those classified as publishing or IP-based companies often receive much higher limits because they appear to have tangible or intellectual assets and lower perceived risk. Practical examples of code effects: a business with the same middle FICO can receive widely different offers depending on the code. Product-based or IP-centric firms typically qualify for the highest initial unsecured limits. Publishing or downloadable course businesses often qualify for strong mid to high limits. Property-related or renovation businesses land in mid-tier ranges. Pure consulting/service businesses often receive the lowest limits. If your real operations legitimately include multiple activities, for example, online courses plus coaching, position the business under the category that reflects your strongest, verifiable revenue stream and assets. Don't invent product lines. Instead, identify parts of your existing operation that legitimately align with higher credit categories: published courses, downloadable content, physical products, or wholesale distribution. How to proceed: set up your entity correctly, audit your business activities and documentation, copyrights, product invoices, leases, course platform sales, etc. Choose the most appropriate, provable classification code, and apply with complete supporting documentation. If needed, reframe descriptions on applications to emphasize the qualifying activity, for example, publishing rather than consulting, when that accurately reflects your revenue model. Other tips: keep business names generic to avoid being pigeonholed, ensure leases, invoices, and product records align with the stated code, expect down payments for certain credit products and varying LTVs, and work with brokers or advisors who understand corporate unsecured credit rules. Documentation such as copyright registrations, product invoices, and clear revenue history strengthen claims to higher credit codes. Bottom line: unsecured business credit is driven by both personal credit and the business classification. Review your company's code and factual documentation before applying. Positioning your real, provable business activities under a stronger industry code can materially increase unsecured credit limits without misrepresenting what you do.